Best omelet ever. We got pepperoncinis, mushrooms, Cuba sauce sausage, spicy garlic, regular fresh garlic, red pepper, artichoke hearts, garlic spread, and boar skin. It'd be super good. So I always start with the mushrooms. I want them to be cooked the most. I like it when they're nicely sauteed. Got the heat up to 7, 6.5. Decently hot because I want these mushrooms to fry, not boil in their own soup. I like it when they get a nice color and not too wet. So that's probably good enough. Next is the peppers. And the spicy garlic. It's got some nice spicy oil on it. And it helps everything cook also. It keeps it from sticking. I put butter in the pan first, but they actually help a lot too. And the pepperoncini. Get this all going together. I like cutting the spicy garlic into big chunks because it's really good, and it's not very hot. Even though it's a little spicy, it's not super overpoweringly garlic flavored because it's been pickled. And I want to be able to taste them amongst everything else, so I leave them in big pieces. Turn the heat down a little bit now because we're finally rocking. I'll turn this one up. Get the omelet pan warmed up. Put in the garlic. Fresh garlic. Pan's nice and hot now. Let's make a little room here for some artichokes. Don't want to stir these around too much because they'll end up getting mushed. Kind of tuck them in there. This is 2 eggs. You just want to roll the pan like this. Get the egg just a bit up on the rim. Make sure it's all nice and even. I'm going to throw the lid on here. That'll help cook the top of it to steam. Okay, so I'll just move this over here so you can see what I'm going to do. This is already cooked on top. Add some garlic spread here. This has got some nice herbs in it. Yeah, it's really good. And a couple blobs of worsen. Half of the goods in. The other half's for me. It's for my wife. Get under this edge. Should be easy because it's a non-stick pan. Plus, when you raise it up on the rim, it gets thin and it cooks nicely underneath. Flip it over. Tuck it in. And then throw the lid on for just a couple more seconds. And it'll all get nice and melted in there. And then it's done. Now I'm going to put the kubasa in. I love my kubasa. So one's vegetarian and the other one's not. Ready, baby?